like bosing, xo'pmi? Yoki bosmang. Bosing yoki bosmang. Hello, my name is Saida and we will be continuing learning Uzbek, and in this lesson we'll be learning verbs, fe'llar. And I would like to introduce some useful verbs for you and then show them their imperative form. Tayyor mısınız? Kettik. So when I said like bossing, like bosmang, this had specific sense, and I will come back to this later. But first of all, let's learn the first verb here. This is to know, bilmoq. Bilmoq. And if someone is talking to you in Uzbek and you'd like to say, I don't know Uzbek, or I know Uzbek, this is how you say it. Men Uzbek tilini bilaman. Let's read together. Men Uzbek tilini bilaman, which means I know Uzbek. You see? So by learning a verb, you can already use it in a sentence and say, I know Uzbek. Men Uzbek tilini bilaman. Men Uzbek tilini bilaman. Or, if you're not sure, you can say, I don't know Uzbek. Men Uzbek tilini bilmayman. Men Uzbek tilini bilmayman, which means I don't know Uzbek. This is our verb number 1, bilmoq, to know. Okay? Verb number 2 is tushunmoq. Tushunmoq is to understand. To understand, this is how we use it in a sentence. Men O'zbek tilini tushunaman. Men O'zbek tilini tushunaman. I understand Uzbek. Let's read together. Men O'zbek tilini men O'zbek tilini tushunaman. Men O'zbek tilini tushunaman. If you'd like to say, I don't understand Uzbek. Men O'zbek tilini tushunmayman. 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 Men O'zbek tilini tushunmayman. Men O'zbek tilini tushunaman. So, here's verb number 2. Number 1 is bilmoq, right? To know. Number 2 is tushunmoq. Okay, now let's learn how to make them imperative. Let's take these two verbs we just learned. Bilmoq is to know, tushunmoq is to understand, and remove moq, this ending that makes them indefinite, right? And if you remove them, and we will be just left with the root of the verb, which is already an imperative form. Tushunmoq becomes tushun, means understand, please understand, or understand, I said. Bilmoq becomes bil. Bil, Uzbek tilini bil. Know Uzbek language, exclamation mark. So it's easy, right? You take indefinite form, take away moq, and you have imperative form. And this form is very popular in songs. For example, this song, it's Sevara Nazarkhan's Yur Muhabbat song. Yur Muhabbat kettik bu yerdan. And she's saying, love, Muhabbat, Yur. Yur means let's go. She's telling love what to do. And Yur comes from verb Yur moq. And Yur moq, take away moq, becomes Yur, imperative form. Okay, now let's learn other verbs. So know, to know, and to understand is something we do mentally. And I would like to give you some other verbs that you can see where we do actions, right, to perform them. So the first verb is bermoq. Bermoq is to give. And when we take away moq, we are left with the command give. Ber. Ber. Telefonni ber. Like, give me the phone. Or microphone. Give me the microphone. Microphone ber. So you see, I'm saying ber. And this is all friendly form. So there's also another respectful form. We will learn it later. And here I would like to also explain the negative version. When you say don't, berma. Ber is give, berma is don't give. Telefonunu berma, mikrofonunu berma. So don't give the phone, don't give the microphone. Okay, the next verb which we can practice with is take, olmak. Olmak. So in Uzbekistan, when you are at someone's place, people try to be hospitable and feed you, and this is how they will say oling, oling. Ol is you, friendly you, and oling is respectful you. So this is also a very popular verb you will come across. And here on this slide, we're learning just the comment itself. Ol, right? For example, I can say pultni ol or telefonni ol. I said take the telephone, or I said take the remote. Or olma, don't take. Telefonni olma. Okay, and also olma is apple, olma. Okay, so it depends from the sentence itself which meaning it's coming with. Is it coming as a verb or it's coming as noun? Pay attention. Okay, and the next very popular verb is to go, barmak. Okay, when we're saying go, 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 bar, 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 or yo, borma, 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 don't go, don't go. Okay, so how many verbs you learned so far? Bir, berma, bir, berma. Oling, oling, ol, olma. Bor, bore, bore, bor. Bore is another phrase which means like, just go, I'm not gonna talk to you, like bore. So bormak is to go, borma is don't go. And here's the list of all verbs I talked so far. So these two, to know, to understand, we started with, and these three we just touch based. And here is an indefinite form: bilmak, tshunmak, olmak, bermak, barmak. See, they're somehow similar. Bermak, barmak. One vowel, right? The difference is in one vowel. And then we remove mok, bil, tshun, ol, ber, bar. Then we make the negative: bilma, tshumma, olma, berma, barma. Now, these were friendly versions when we can say these commands to a friend. Now, respectful form is when this is friendly form, this is respectful form. Bir, birin, ol, oling. And this is what I was saying: when you are given or you are treated hospitably in an Uzbek family, they say oling, oling. Oling means here, take some food, help yourself. Bir, biring, ol, oling, bor, boring. So right now I just said boring, bore, bore. This is something we say to get rid of someone or to stop, to make someone stop talking, like saying, just go, go. I said go. And this one is respectful version. Boring, boring. I said, just stop or just leave me alone. So let's put them together and compare. Friendly version and respectful version, and the same thing in negative, right? Bir, biring, ol, oling, bor, boring. Berma, bermain. Olma, olmain. Borma, bormain. So this is when we say do it, friendly version, respectful version. And this is when we say don't do it, friendly version, respectful version. And if you are a little bit confused, so I will put these all into one table. And also, I would like to remind you that songs have lots of such examples. For example, this song says, tell me why. Like, tell is ait mok. Ait mok. So, mok is removed, becomes ait, right? But we have other version too. It's like not just ait, but ait gin. This is also friendly. Nega ait gin, or kit gin, bor gin. And also, if you've taken Uzbek metro in Tashkent, it also says iltimos suyan mangis. Suyan mangis means don't lean. Iltimos means please. Please don't lean. And this is also the same format as I've shown you in a song. So we can say it in a simple format like here, right? We just remove mok and we are left with the verb, with the root of the verb. Or there's this version too. For example, not just ait, because ait mok is to tell. It's ait gin. The song says, nege ait gin, nege ait gin. So gin, you see, he's adding gin. Nege ait gin, nege ait gin. You can Google this singer and listen to the song. He's not saying nege ait, ait, ait. He's saying nege ait gin, nege ait gin. And also in a metro, it's not saying iltimos suya mang, although it's also okay to say that. It says iltimos suya mangis. Okay, so we are done. I will make another video lesson to help you practice these verbs, and I will show you more songs, because songs are a very clear example of how we say love me, don't love me, believe me, don't believe me, leave me, don't leave me, and all of those kind of emotional verbs which help us really learn, memorize easily all these moments when we are saying do this, don't do this, or when we're saying do it friendly, or do this one in a respectful way. So please, after this lesson, watch the one that is dedicated also to imperative verbs, but they will be taken from songs. Dars uchun sizga rahmat. And over here, I would like to finish with a phrase which I started with. Like bossing. Like bossing. So over here, you can read that we're saying press like. And the word press, bossing, is taken from boss mok. And we remove mok and we're left with boss. But if you were my friend, I would say like boss. But I'm trying to be respectful, so I say like bossing. Like bossishni unutmang. Xayr, sog' salomat bo'ling.